what's this? You want to help me put this together? All right. Welcome to the review, you guys. Today we are doing a review of this pet water fountain. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. So this is a plastic fountain, which means based on my experience, you are going to want to wash this about every 3 to 5 days. Plastic holds a little bit more slimy stuff than stainless steel tends to do. I mean, you're going to want to wash it anyway. It does come with some filters, so it's got some filtered water. It does need to be assembled, as you can see here. And the other thing I noticed is it comes with a USB plug, but it doesn't come with this part. Yeah, it doesn't come with one of these. So if your plugs are already USB ready, then you're fine. If not, you're gonna need one of these adapters to make this work. Let's get it put together and see what the doggos think. So for a minute, I was really confused about where the filter goes. It goes right here, and then this clips right back in place. So let me finish putting this together. So before I even fill it with water and plug it in, this is super easy to assemble and disassemble. The whole thing comes apart. So even though it is plastic, it's gonna be super easy to clean, and you can put it in your dishwasher. You can see here it has the minimum line and the maximum line. Let's put some water in this, because Eleanor's like, can I have a drink of water? Like you don't have water fountains everywhere. All right, let's put some water in this. It's on. It is very, very quiet. Eleanor's like, I know how to use a water fountain. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys how this is done. It's not even done filling yet. I really appreciate this splash guard. I really, really like that, because this one here is a very, very messy drinker. This one, not so much. So you can see the water's coming out. Here, listen. Oh, I guess we'll listen after you're done drinking. But now you can see what's happening. As it fills all the way up, the water is like swirling around, and then it goes down through here, goes through the filter, and goes back into here. This also holds a lot of water. I believe it holds 3 gallons total. I didn't even fill it all the way. You can see where I filled it to, and I used this huge jug to fill it. Okay, now that she's done drinking, yes, you can hear the ticking of the clock in the background, but listen. Well, now you're drinking again. You must like it. You must think it's pretty cool. Is it pretty cool? Do you like it? She's like, this one is very nice. I do love how quiet it is. Even with the little amount of water that I put in it, again, as I said, I didn't fill it all the way. You're not hearing it like dripping down as it's flowing back down through here and flowing through that filter. This is really, really, look at how it swirls around. Yep, and apparently it is enticing her to drink, because she's very excited about drinking the water from this fountain. She's like, this is nice. Can I now show them how quiet this is? Ready? Listen. I can hear the ticking in my window and the ticking of my clock over this. I can actually hear my other water fountain pumping more than this one. So it has a very, very quiet pump, which I really do appreciate. And like I said, I love the fact that the whole thing just comes apart, makes it really, really easy. This is how I filled it. I lifted that up to fill it, but I guess you could pour in here because it's going to filter through as it does. But like I said, the whole thing comes apart, really easy to clean. I definitely like this. I like that it's black. I don't know why I like that it's black. It kind of just looks sleek. But yeah, if you're looking for a nice flowing fountain for your dogs or your cats, I like this. I like how it swirls it around. I like how you can see it's flowing out there, but you can't necessarily like drink from under there. Yeah, are you just proving the point? She's like, guys, when the water moves, it makes me want to drink it. And drinking water is a good thing. It sure is. Well, I guess Eleanor and I recommend this.